Hi, today I've heard of me Motorola Moto G Pure, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see media, coloring, notifications and alarm volume panels, and just to change the volumes we should hold and slide to the left or to the right side these dots on the panels. If you want to change the audio effects, just click on this section, and just if you want to use them, click on the switcher. To turn them off, you should also tap on the switcher. We can turn off the don't disturb mode, to use multi-volume option, to change phone ringtone, to change the media settings, to pin media player and show media recommendations, in vibration for calls, if you want to switch it from never to always vibrate then ring gradually, to use the shortcut prevent ringing, change notification and alarm sounds, and just to activate and turn off the dial pad tones, call vibration, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration, and power on and power off sounds. So to turn on or turn off all of these options, we should use the switchers. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.